In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in the best way. 2026 full guide. If trying to squeeze maximum productivity out of AI has felt like a second job, you're not alone. Shallow answers, lost context, and messy chat histories drain energy fast. In 2026, the key is to stop treating ChatGPT like a basic search box and start using it as your personal and professional operating system. We'll set up focused projects, connect live data through apps, choose the right engine with instant versus thinking, and confidently audit complex results. Open your browser and let's get everything dialed in. First, create context hubs inside the project's dashboard. Instead of firing off one-off prompts, head to the left sidebar, open projects, and click Create New Project. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later. In the project properties, open custom instructions. Write the background rules once, define your audience, and lock in tone and style. This keeps your goals and norms sealed inside this workspace so they don't bleed into other efforts. Add any key files to the project and set permissions so collaborators see only what they need. Next, connect real workflow repositories through the Apps tab. From your project settings, open connected apps and hit Add Source. Choose services like Google Drive, Microsoft SharePoint, or Slack, then grant secure OAuth permissions. This lets ChatGPT index the right folders and maintain a live, persistent reference library. From here on, you can pull up to 20 files directly into the prompt composer without daily uploads, keeping crucial documents at your fingertips and out of silos. Now match task complexity to the right engine. Open the model switcher near the message box and click Configure. For quick, straightforward work, polishing emails, cleaning text, or small code fixes, stick with Instant. When you're handling deep analysis, heavy refactors, or multi-step strategies, toggle to thinking for advanced reasoning. This protects quality and helps you avoid burning through limits on the wrong jobs. With engines set, run a high-yield creative brief prompt. In the composer, specify role, task, constraints, and format. For example, role, elite technical editor and systems architect. Task, review attached system logs. Constraints, write like a clear human with taste. Ban filler terms. Format, output a clean markdown table with columns for vulnerability, severity, and remediation. Attach the relevant files and be explicit about success criteria. Finally, audit the output. After the response streams, tap the sources and reasoning icon beneath it. Review the reasoning overview, source references, and any code execution traces in split view. Cross-check citations, scan assumptions, and export charts or diagrams from code blocks as images. If something looks off, ask for a focused verification pass before you ship. Handing off context management, data syncing, and multi-file tracking to ChatGPT's full operating architecture frees you to scale ideas instead of juggling tabs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.